Hi friends, it's great to see you all again and welcome if you're new. My name is Alyssa and I'm the Berry Little Paper Crafter, and today I just wanted to share some projects that I've been working on lately. These are some Valentine's themed paper bag junk journals, and I do have a tutorial on how I make these, so I will link that down below. If you haven't seen it already, definitely go check that out because these are just so fun to make. The paper bags that I used here are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to show you quick flip throughs of both of them. So I'll start with this one here, and this border around the heart here was actually the handles from the bag, so I just repurposed those to give the cover some more dimension, and I thought it came out really cute. And on the inside here, you've got a side pocket, and I put some journaling cards on the inside. And then I have this heart doily, some beautiful writing paper that looks kind of vintage, and it has some pink flowers in the corner here. I left the back blank for more writing space or to put a photo. And then I have a vellum sheet here, and this is actually the bottom of the paper bag. So I turned it into just a little pocket here, so you can stick things inside here. But it's also a tuck-in spot, so I just put this little tag right in the back there. And I have the same thing on the back of the vellum page, with the little pocket in the front here and space in the back to tuck some things inside. Over here is just some writing space or a place to put a photo, and I glued a wooden heart in the corner here, as well as some lace ribbon going down the side. More writing space or photo space. Same thing on this page, and I just love the pattern on this paper. I left some room for journaling, and I put just one of my scrap strips down the side there. I have a musical sheet here, or part of a musical sheet, and I have a journaling card that flips open like this. Some more pretty patterned paper. And then I just have a little cutout at the bottom here. This paper is gorgeous. It's the same one as this page here. So it's got that vintagey look, and you can journal on it. And then let me show you the back of this page. I am obsessed with this, you guys. It's so beautiful, and you can do so many things on this page. So I just left it as is. And here's the same paper as well. I wasn't sure if I wanted to turn this into a pocket or just leave it so that you can flip it open, but I just left it for now. And then I have another heart doily facing this way. Some more space to write or put a photo, and I glued some of this heart lace on the side. Put a little wooden heart sticker in the corner there. And over here, I just paper clipped a journaling card. And then there's another one on the back. And then here's the back inside cover. You have your side pocket there. And I just stuck in this big journaling card. And it says, "You are my most favorite." And that's it for this junk journal. And then for this one here, I did some collaging on the front, and I put a made with love cutout because I do make all my things with love. So I thought that was perfect for this journal. And it's got that pink heart doily as well. And then I just cut out this heart shape by hand and glued it to one of these circles that I used making my little punch here, and foam taped that on top just to give it even more dimension. So this one, Also has the side pockets on the inside covers, and I just stuck this little Valentine card inside, but you can also just use it for journaling too, so I thought that was nice. And then just another little card in here that says lovely. And this page here is actually a card as well. You may have seen in one of my other videos too. And it says, be mine. And I just turned this side into a pocket and made a little sort of tag journaling card to go on the inside. Another little heart doily. And some space to journal. And then I stuck this other card on the back. This one was one of my favorites because it's a strawberry and it says, hey sweets. So again, you can just journal inside of these cards. You don't even have to use them as Valentines or to give them out to other people. I think cards are great to write in your junk journals as well. And it adds just another like little interactive element. Over here, I've got a journaling card paper clipped to the top there. And there's another one on the back. Some writing space or photo space. And here's some more of that lace that I glued onto the side. Just glued some little wooden hearts down the page there. This is just some writing paper. This would be cute for a photo. And I've got a little flag in the corner there. Over here, I've got another card and you can journal inside. This side you can use however you'd like for journaling or photos or add more pockets. And then this is actually the bottom of the paper bag that I just turned into a little tag, and it's foam taped on so you can take it off. And then over here is a little vellum flip page, and I glued some ribbon down the side. More space for whatever you want to do. And in the back, I've got a little belly band, and I just stuck a journaling card that I collaged on, sort of. And then over here, I have this little cutout paper clip to the side that says, you are my favorite person. And just a big journaling card paper clipped to the back. Over here, I just stuck one of these little stickers in the corner. And this would be a cute spot for a photo. And then right over here, I've got another card, so you can journal inside of there. And here's the back side pocket. So I just included a little tag card, which you can journal in as well. And then just another greeting card, which you can give to someone or keep to journal inside too. So that's it for my two little Valentine junk journals. I do have one more bag that I'm going to turn into a journal. I just haven't gotten to it yet. But this is what it looks like. So you kind of see what it started out as and what it will turn into. So again, check out my tutorial on how to make these paper bag junk journals in the description down below if you haven't seen that already. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more fun crafty videos, and let me know which of these journals is your favorite, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting, everybody!